And you know we're living in a connected kitchen age when I have to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy of my countertop oven. Hey everyone, Chris here with The Spoon, and you can see I just got my second generation June oven in today. I'm super excited to tear it open and put it to work, but first we're gonna do a little unboxing here. So I'm gonna show you what it comes with. As you can see the box here, it's got the nice picture of the new second gen oven and an app, and then that's pretty much it, pretty sparsely packaged. But let's go ahead, crack it open and see what's on the inside. High-tech cutting appliance. All right. Okay, what comes in here? All right, we got the instructions. Always important. Probably will be ignored. Just kidding. Oh gosh. And the pans, maybe the crumb catcher. Here, and we've got grill here. Oh, almost threw this away. But this is super important. It is the thermometer. So it knows when something's done. See that right there? Set that right there. And for the grill. And a ceramic, or I don't know, the pan, roasting pan, probably. That's it for that. All right, it's not too heavy. I'll turn this around here in a second. So, oh boy, or maybe it's a little heavy. Got the carbon fiber heating elements here. Gonna place the thermometer there. Okay, so if you're wondering about dimensions, it is about just shy of 20 inches wide. Although it might be, if we go from here to here, it's a little over 20 inches wide. It is just about 13 inches tall. And to the handle, it is just about 18.5 inches, it looks like. There it is, popped on. I was looking, took a second for it to load up. But you can see right here, the June logo starting up. So anyway, this is just the first video that we're gonna do. I just wanted to show you what it looks like out of the box, give you a sense of how big it is, and welcome to the June. All right, well, I probably gotta download the app and do all kinds of connecting things. But anyway, that's your first look at the second gen June oven. We'll cook something with it tonight and let you know how it goes.